Hiyo! Today I'm gonna show you how to knit this another Raglan increasing idea. So please check my description box for the pattern. And as you can see, it's like cable knitting in the middle, but it's not. It's super easy and beautiful Raglan increasing. So let's get started. First of all, this is just sample knitting, okay? And I have 11 cast on and I did little garter stitch. And I have 2 markers and 7 stitches in between those 2 markers. That's important. And markers are the Raglan increasing marker. I am going to increase outside of the marker right there and the other side right there. All right, so let's start. Row number 1. By the way, first and last stitch is just for clear edge. It's not important. And knit until marker and make 1 left. Okay, so make 1 left. So I just increase. I always increase outside of the marker. And purl 2. Then this is little weird thing. Okay, first of all, slide 2 stitch knitwise like that. There you go. And put those 2 stitch back onto left needle and knit 3 back loop. Knit back loop 3 together like that. Sorry, you can't really see right now, but I will show you again. And do not drop the stitch off. Then yarn front, yarn over, okay? Then knit back loop 3 stitch together again. So knit 3 together seems like a decreasing, but there are 3 stitch. So I'm not decreasing or increasing. Then knit purl 2, then slide the marker and make 1 right to increase. There we go. And then knit until the end. The last stitch is just for clear edge, so I just did purl. Okay, and row number 2, easy. Knit over knit stitch and purl over purl stitch. So purl outside of the marker should be all purl. Okay, and those are knit 2. Then the 3 stitch in the center should be purl on wrong side because knit 3 together is knit. Okay, and then knit. Slide a marker again outside of the marker are all purl. Easy, okay? And row number 3, same actually. Knit over knit, purl over purl stitch. However, do not forget to increase. So knit until the marker and make 1 left. This is right side of the marker, but you have to do make 1 left. I did, make 1 right on the right side of the marker, but I think make 1 left, is better. There we go. And purl 2, knit over knit stitch and purl over purl stitch except increasing. So here, make 1 right and knit until the end. And turn the project and row number 4, same as row number 2. Okay? So, you just have to be careful for the 3 stitch in the center and increasing. Pretty much it. Okay? So row number 4, easy, no increasing, right? So increasing on only right side. Okay? So, and row number 5 is actually same as row number 1. And I'll show you again the center 3 stitch. There you go. So let's do that together again. Slide knitwise, then knit until the marker and make 1 left. Then purl 2, then those 3 stitch. So slide 2 stitch at the same time, knitwise, like that. Then put those 2 back right away on the left needle and knit back loop 3 stitch together. Okay, it's a little bit tight because I just twisted, right? And do not drop the stitch off from left needle, yarn over, and 1 more. Knit back loop 3 stitch together. So 3 stitch on the right needle, then purl 2. Then make 1 right, and knit until the end. Okay, and row number 6, same as other even number row, which is knit over knit stitch and purl over purl stitch. That's it. So we just did from row number 1 to row number 6 once, right? And after this, okay, after you did the row number 1 to row number 6 once, you have to repeat from row number 3 to row number 6, as many as you want. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 4 rows. You just have to, repeat until your desired length. Okay? And I am going to knit a little bit more so you can see, how it looks. Okay? You can see a little bit, but you don't really know what kind of design is this, right? So, and there you go. I repeat few times. As you can see, increasing slowly, and the knit part looks like a cable knitting, but you already know it's not cable knitting. There you go. So if you're knitting very simple sweater with solid one color, this is great accent. Okay? Anyway, enjoy knitting and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye for now.